Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to log in Vauxhall Finance. First step is to open your browser. Now click on the search bar and type in Vauxhall Finance login. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. Here on the navigation bar, you can see CS link login, click on it. Now it will lead you to a new tab. Here you need your username and your password to log in, so type in your username. Now type in your password. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on register now and create a new account. And if you have forgotten your username or your password, you can click on this link and reset it. Now click on sign in, and these are the simple steps that you can follow to log in Vauxhall Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.